Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the last puzzle in the Tuesday edition. Tuesday, September 14th, 2021. It's actually Friday, September the 15th. And I have overlooked one puzzle. I thought I have solved all the puzzles. 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars. Tectonic with 4 stars. Tectonic with 1 star. Killer Sudoku binary puzzle number 1. But I've left one puzzle. Binary puzzle number 2. Yes. Alright. So this will be the last puzzle. I thought first there were 3 puzzles left, but 4 puzzles are left on the Tuesday edition, and this will be number 3410. Yes, 3410. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's in this row, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here in the second row, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double one here, no there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Then. Let me see. Okay. Now I think we need to compare. 10. We have 10 here. Maybe. Yeah, this row. And the 7th row. 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 empty box, so we need to switch those 2 digits. Here we have a 1, so this should be an O, and here we have a O, this should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Then 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be no. This should be a 1. Okay. Then yeah. So we have 10. Double O. Oh no, not the same. I think we need to compare again. Think. No. One. Come on, come on, come on, come on. It's taking too long. Oh, this one. Double O. One. This is not the same. No, it's not the same. This one. And O10. O10. I cannot compare the columns. What is the 101 here? I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Yeah. How about this double one here? This column and that column. 1111 empty box 1100. So we need to switch those two digits. Here we have a 1, this should be an O. Here we have an O, this should be a 1. Alright, between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Then 101. Again, I need to compare this column and that column. 110011 empty box 001100. So we need to switch those two digits. Here we have an O here, this should be a 1. Here we have a 1 here, this should be an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no, there, no. 4 1s we have, so the rest are O's. Finish in 7 minutes. Oh, right, a lot of comparing. And I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlists for the binaries. Playlists for the tectonic. For the killer Sudokus, I have also a playlist for the Sudoku with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars. I have also a playlist for the heavy, for the light, for the medium, quintuplet, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you tomorrow. Have a great and fantastic Friday. And yeah, it's weekend. See you then. Bye-bye for now.